Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off automatic downloads on Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can customize how your browser behaves. Once the settings page loads, look at the left sidebar where you'll find different categories for managing Chrome. Navigate to Privacy and Security and click on it. This section is crucial because it controls how Chrome handles your data, cookies, and permissions for different websites. It's where you can manage what sites are allowed to do on your browser. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find Site Settings and click on it. This area gives you granular control over what individual websites can access or do, like use your camera, microphone, or in this case, download multiple files automatically. It's an important feature that helps you maintain control over your browsing experience. Now you'll need to scroll down through the site settings options until you see a section labeled Additional Permissions. Click on it to expand more specific permission controls that aren't immediately visible in the main list. These additional permissions cover less common but still important browser behaviors. Inside Additional Permissions, look for the option that says Automatic Downloads and click on it. This specific setting controls whether websites are allowed to download multiple files to your computer without asking for your permission each time. Some sites might try to download several files at once, which can be annoying or even risky if you're not expecting it. Here's where you'll make the key change. You'll see radio button options that determine how Chrome handles automatic downloads. Click on the radio button next to Don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files. By selecting this option, you're telling Chrome to block any website that tries to download multiple files without your explicit permission, giving you more control over what gets saved to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully disabled automatic downloads in Google Chrome, which means websites can no longer download multiple files to your system without your permission. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.